Hi, Blake here, the drink chef and your personal bartender. And today I want to make a very nice old school cocktail called the Dark N Stormy. And that's usually built in a highball glass directly into the serving glass. So I'll fill that full of ice. And usually you pour the alcohol first, but on this cocktail we don't. We pour it last. So I'm going to open a Fever Tree ginger beer. Ginger beer is key in this cocktail, and I'm going to fill that most of the way up. Okay, now I'm going to take 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, and I'm going to pour that right down into the cocktail. And then we're going to take the Gosling's Bermudan Black Seal rum, and I'm going to pour 1.5 ounces of that right on top of this cocktail. And you'll notice that it kind of makes a two-tone drink here. I'm going to garnish that with a lime and a straw and serve. That is the perfect Dark and Stormy. Cheers from the drink chef.